Hi everyone! Welcome back to Meghalaya Board Prep. With MBOSE exams approaching, today I'll share some essential tips to help you prepare effectively and feel confident on exam day. These tips are tried and tested, so stick around to learn how you can boost your study game. First things first, let's talk about creating a study schedule. A well-organized timetable is the foundation of successful exam preparation. Start by listing all your subjects and breaking them into smaller, manageable topics. Divide your day to cover a mix of hard and easy topics. If you're not sure where to start, prioritize challenging subjects or high-weightage topics. Set realistic daily goals and include time for breaks. Next, it's all about knowing your syllabus inside out. MBOSE exams follow a specific syllabus, so make sure you focus on high-weightage topics first. For example, in math, calculus usually has more marks than other topics. This prioritization helps you cover the most important areas effectively. You can find the syllabus on the MBOSE website. Download it and keep it handy. One of the best ways to prepare is by practicing past papers. Treat these like actual exams. Set a timer, avoid distractions, and see how well you manage time. Past papers not only help you get familiar with the question format, but also reveal your strengths and weaknesses. After finishing a paper, check your answers and note down any areas where you need improvement. Making notes is crucial. As you study, summarize key points, formulas, and concepts into short notes. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts are fantastic for subjects like science and geography. And remember to review your notes frequently. This helps keep information fresh and reduces last-minute stress. Studying hard is important, but so is taking care of your health. Keep your brain active and alert by eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and getting at least 6 to 7 hours of sleep each night. Regular exercise, even just 10 minutes a day, can make a big difference. You'll feel more energized and ready to focus. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need help. Whether it's a teacher, friend, or online resources, getting a new perspective can help you understand difficult concepts more clearly. Sometimes, even explaining a topic to someone else can solidify your understanding. Group studies are great too, but keep them focused. And lastly, stay positive and manage stress. Remember, a little bit of stress is normal, but don't let it get overwhelming. Try meditation or deep breathing exercises to calm your mind. And don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own progress. Believe in yourself. You're doing great. That's it for today. Follow these tips consistently, and you'll be in great shape for your MBOSE exams. Remember, preparation is the key to confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more exam tips and study strategies. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.